Okay, so this is my first little video of my data cleaning project. It's this small data set of US presidents. First thing to do, obviously, is to remove the duplicates. So you do data cleanup, remove duplicates, make sure to do data as a header row. And I did that, and I removed the duplicates. There was one duplicate, which is good enough. Next is, for here, I created a new column for proper. So all these are out of order. You can see this one's out. And I did all the way down for proper formatting for this. I added a column for the president's name to do that. And solve that problem, proper formatting. Next, I filtered by party. There was a few errors. I put in a filtered by this. I cleared all this and found Republican. One of them had an S, Republicans. I changed that. And Whig. There was another Whig that had a bunch of errors. I removed that error, so they are all correctly formatted now. Next, I changed this over here for salary. It was in the currency format. I changed it to a standard number format because the $sign and they're moving 2 decimal places makes it easier to format and to use that way. So when it's in a currency, unless you're finalizing it with the $sign, you want it to be in standard number format. Next, I did date format, which for here and here there was a couple that were improperly formatted. So it's regular date format, standard date format. In Excel it is short date, that's what it's called. Then next is to remove unwanted data. There's only 2 things left to do. Right here and right here, they're both the same. So I can remove this column from 0 and 1, 44, 45, doesn't matter. So I can just completely delete this column. And then for here, go here and copy that, and then paste as value. There we go. And then these are properly formatted in the president's column, and I can remove this. And this is completely irrelevant. Oh, right, one more thing I did was I removed spaces with trim. So trim over here just removes all spaces. So I can take this, go all the way down, copy that, go here, paste as the values, delete this column, and this prior is something that's completely irrelevant. I'm not going to use it, so I can delete this column. Now we can clearly see this format is very cleaned, processed. It works in Excel or Google Sheets, which is what I'm using.